Hello explorers, welcome back to Kuala Lumpur. Today I thought I would start off a new series of videos where I showcase my favourite parts of this city. Today we are on the River of Life. Just look at the size of these leaves compared to my hand. Anyway, let's continue. Just see how much mud is in the water there, how brown it is from all of the rain. Like I said, it was pretty torrential this morning. One thing that you'll notice straight away is that there's now a cafe that's opened called the Macan Buzz, and it's right alongside the river here. And of course the mix of the two rivers. So I just ordered a latte, cold one. So yeah, again, I don't know if you can see the artwork, but it just literally runs all the way along here. And I've got my iced coffee. Cost me 11 ringgits for those that are interested in prices. I'll put the British and US up on the screen. That does mean that temporarily you get to see me without a mask. Ooh, that is good. Latte iced. Perfect, just what I needed. Actually, this might be a better view. You can see the artwork better here. There's sun in the opposite direction. I just love being amongst the nature. Love it. So yes, if you haven't been to Kuala Lumpur before, this is the River of Life. I'm just walking on this boardwalk now. You can really see the skyscrapers and the sights of Kuala Lumpur from here. You can just see the top of the Petronas Twin Towers and also KL Tower as well. You know, the banks and financial institutions. And just here you can see the Sultan Abdul Samad building, I think that's what it's called. I should know the name, I've been here that many times. Now of course normally you would have lots of tourists mingling around here from all over the world, but with Malaysia being closed off due to the COVID-19 pandemic, there's not many tourists here. There's just those of us that are here stranded due to COVID-19. Obviously very happy to be here and being able to explore this city. I love it. The huge leaves here. Look at the size of them. It literally is one of my favourite cities in the world. I'm loving these leaves here. How bright, like the veins of the leaf are. Stunning. Just stood in the shade. Noisy birds. There's definitely not an issue with social distancing here. I'm just walking in the shade, so I might look a little bit darker on the screen. I'm just looking at the little screen I've got in my GoPro. Anyway, yeah, so no problem with social distancing at all. Wow. Sheltered under the palm trees. Another amazing view. You can see more of the Petronas Twin Towers there and the KL Tower. Just walking along here along the river. Always look up when you're out exploring. It's amazing what you find. More stunning architecture. Bridge going over the river there. And a few crows around. So this is the Gombok River, I don't know if I pronounced that right. Lots of crows around. First time I've observed that around here. So, we shall continue our walk. And like I say, it's a really hot day today. I'm just walking alongside the road here. Interesting, I've not noticed this before. Like an old steam train from from Rochester in Kent, England. So this here is a continuation of the River of Life. You see the little boarding walking area, nice shaded spot with the trees. Trees just covering us, keeping us cool. What you can see down here, just where all the water is coming down, is a countdown clock. You come down here at night time, it's all lit up. Just you can see it, hand sanitizer, put some on every so often. I think most people, when they come here, they just kind of go over the bridge rather than walking over the road and having this bit of a walk along the Gombok River. Beautiful. So let me know down in the comments, would you like me to do more of these videos where I share my favourite places in KL? Let me know down in the comments. And also, if you are not in KL and you are missing it and you would like me to feature somewhere, maybe go to somewhere that you really love, let me know in the comments as well, and I'll try and do a video of that place and feature it on the channel. So the sun glimmering off that building there. So this area is also part of the River of Life, and it's right next door to the Masjid Jami Mosque. We have a view of stunning mosque architecture, it's beautiful. Right, that is me done. I am exhausted. I need air conditioning, I need a cold drink, so I shall see you all in the next video. Let me know in the comments where you would like me to go, that is your favourite place, and I'll continue to share my favourite places here in Kuala Lumpur.